So we're over here. We can see that the animal has chewed its way back in to gain access into the subroof. We got some animals up into the house, into the subroof, gaining access. Raccoons with raccoon babies. One of the main reasons why these animals are getting back in is they got a new roof put on, but they didn't put a drip edge in. So the drip edge is the part from the house to the roof that prevents wildlife from getting in and chewing and catching an edge to get into the house. So here what we're going to do today is we're going to throw a one-way door up for Mama is, and then we're going to open up our soffit in order to do a gravity door for these babies that are moving. So we got our one-way door put up for Mama, right over her hole, secured, tarred in, and all that fun stuff. So we're gonna open up the soffit, put a one-way door there in order to allow the babies to have a gravity drop, and if Mom can talk to them and get there close, she can take them out herself. So we're hearing them down this soffit here, guys, and we know they're moving because we've been hearing them walk back and forth and all around. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make life easier for Mama. We're gonna open up here, putting a gravity door so she can get here and grab them if needs be.